how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. I am so excited because just moments ago, my winter FabFitFun box arrived and I have been dying to get this. I've seen all my friends unboxing it on YouTube over the past few weeks, so I'm so glad mine is here. So this was kindly sent to me from FabFitFun. So it was sent to me free for review, but this video is not sponsored. I absolutely love FabFitFun. I also have a box I pay for that is on the way. If you somehow do not know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal lifestyle subscription. It is so amazing. So it's $49.99 each season. FabFitFun did provide me with a code to save you guys $10. It's Kitty's Boxes. I will leave that down below. Again, that's not an affiliated code. It's just to help you guys out. So your first box would be $39.99 and you're guaranteed to get over $200 in value of items. It's generally much greater than that and it's always so good. I've heard the winter box is especially good, so I'm super curious to see what's inside. You do get to customize your box. Since this box was sent to me free for review, I did not pick the items, so it's gonna be all a surprise, so that's extra exciting. But if you pay seasonally, so if you pay that like $49.99 seasonally, you get to pick, I believe, 3 of your items. But if you pay for an annual membership, meaning you pay for all 4 boxes of the year at one time, you get to select pretty much all of your items, and there'll be like maybe like 1 or 2 surprises. So yeah, I love FabFitFun and I love that they give back, and it looks like this season they're giving back to the women's Alzheimer movement, and they always have such cute boxes. This is pretty heavy. You can see in the corner there it says the charity, and there'll be a little note inside, or a little, they give you like a magazine, which we'll see in a second, that talks about the charity in more depth. But I think that's great that they give back. I always talk about that when I get a subscription service that does it. It makes me feel so much better about my purchase. I love that some of their profits are going to something good, so that is great. So FabFitFun ships now to the US, Canada, and the UK. And I think that's all the info we need. Let's get this box open and see what's inside. I'm so excited. So when I open it up, this is what I see. So that magazine I mentioned is on top, and it looks like we have Maria Shriver on there. So this is like a magazine. It's so fun to read. So in the beginning of this, it'll give you information about the items inside, like the price and like just a little description. But then it goes more in depth on later pages about like how to use your items and stuff. It's so fun. So here are the pages that say what's in the box. So I will keep this nearby to reference throughout the unboxing. And yeah, it looks like they even have some like recipes inside and stuff. It's so fun. So it looks like for the winter box, the total retail value will range from $211 to $345.99. So wow. Then they have some like coupons on top, like if you want to save, $90. Usually it's $80 for the HelloFresh like gift cards you get in boxes. But let's get this tissue paper open and get started with the unboxing. So I'm gonna grab the very first thing I see. This is by Karuna. I think I've tried some of their skincare before. This is the Face for All Face and Eye Mask Set. These are natural fiber sheet masks. The kit includes age-defying, antioxidant, brightening, clarifying, exfoliating, hydrating, and renewal eye. It's dermatologist tested and ophthalmologist tested. And it looks like you get 6 face masks and 6 eye masks. I love that. I love masks. I do eye masks often as well. I talked about how I do sheet masks a few days a week, but I also use eye masks because I have really puffy eyes, so I'm excited to see how these work. So let's see how much these cost. So this was a variation item, and wow, this is $42. And it says on here, from antioxidant and age-defying face mask to a renewing eye mask, this set addresses all of your skincare concerns. Great, so there were 3 other options in this category. You could have gotten the Adore by Swarovski Organic Circle bracelet in rose gold, or you could have gotten some Baddington lashes and a glue kit, or the Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops. I'm happy I got this. I'm excited to use them. Next up is the original makeup eraser. So I talked a while ago about how I want to do a video like testing this. So I have just like a little sample size, but now I have the full size one. So this will help. I'll definitely do that eventually. This is Erase All Makeup with Just Water. So yeah, it's just like a little cloth. that you get wet and you don't need to use any makeup remover or anything. And I've heard such great things about it. I did hear you have to put it in the washer machine before you use it, and that really helps. So whoa, this is big. Yeah, the one I have is like super small. It feels really soft. And I'm kind of glad now that I have multiples, because I want to wash them, you know, and keep it nice and hygienic. But this is so soft. Yeah, I can't wait to try this out. So I think this is a product everyone got, if I'm remembering correctly, but let's double check. Yep, so everyone gets this makeup eraser in the Winter FabFitFun, and this is $20, and it says, from waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush, this reusable makeup remover erases the day with just water. I am really excited to get some use out of that. Next up is something by Erno Laszlo, New York. It says Exfoliate and Detox Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. So this was a variation item, and this cost $48, and it says this mask harnesses the benefits of kaolin and bentonite clay to remove impurities while infusing moisture and nutrients into the skin. So I'm pretty sure Erno Laszlo is not cruelty free, so I'll be passing this on to someone. I know they will love it. This will make a great gift. That's one thing with FabFitFun. You get so many things in here. If there's something that doesn't work for you, maybe you already have it, or what you just want to get the box for gifting reasons, you can seriously get this box and have like gifts for like 4 or 5 different people, or even more if you want to give everything away. But anyways, the other options for this were Lashes MD eyelash conditioner, or the PJ Salvage faux trim cable slippers, or the Bando Bluetooth shower speaker. And again, I got the mat. Next up, this is something by Frank Body. It says, guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. It says vegan friendly on here. This is original coffee scrub, 100% natural exfoliator for smooth glowing skin. Look, it has a little picture of a butt on there. And on the back it says, lose the pants, you don't need them, where you're going, destination Babe Town. They're so silly, this is funny. So it says, how to use me, get naked and get wet in the shower, massage scrub over your entire body, reseal my waterproof bag, keep me in the shower, rinse your bod, use me 2 to 3 times per week for best results. Oh, I love that this is a resealable bag. That's awesome. So let's see about this one. So this is a variation item, and I think this is one that only the people that pay annually would be able to pick. So the one I got, let's see, this is $16.95, and it says, this delicious combo of Robusta coffee grinds, vitamin E, sea salt, and sweet almond oil exfoliates and leaves your skin hydrated and feeling softer than ever. You also could have gotten the Veramona color switch. So that's like something that you can clean your brushes with. Or you could have gotten the Ahava salt bag. So that was like, yeah, like salts, bath salts. So I'm happy I got this. I'm excited to try it out. Next up is something by Dry Bar. So this says Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. Awesome, I always use this. And it's a heat protectant. Good. A lot of detanglers I've noticed that are in my like hair collection, I guess you would call it, aren't heat protectants as well. So I love that it has that. So this is what it looks like. It says primes, preps, and detangles. So let's learn a little bit more about this. So this is something that everyone gets, and it is $23, and it says this lightweight detangler uses biotin, vitamins B and C, and sea berry oil to protect hair against heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and leaves hair soft and conditioned. I mean, I never have my heat tools go up that high. I'm always afraid like my hair will fry off. Ever since I saw that one video when a girl was curling her hair and like the whole strip of hairs came off. Did you guys see that? I think that was like a viral video a while ago. But yeah, I usually keep mine around like 350. So that will definitely come in handy. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of that. Next we have something by Cuccio, if I'm saying that right. Somatology, Yoga, Calm and Clean, Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. This is a daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. That's what it looks like. And this is a variation item. I believe this would be something that seasonal members could pick, or it was a surprise. So it says this is $39.95. Wow. It says calm your senses as you cleanse with a relaxing blend of lavender oil, provitamin B5, and shea butter. And if you didn't get this, you would have gotten the Ink-Readable Nail Sink Thirsty Hand Mask Duo. Let's get this tape off. I just want to take a sniff. I love lavender scent, so let's smell it. Oh, and I can see right on here that this company is cruelty-free, which is nice to know, because I don't think I've tried anything or heard of them before. It smells really good. I'm excited to try this out. I like that you can use it as a hand wash too. Epsom salt hand and body wash. Ooh, what is this? This is what made the box so heavy. It says, unhide for love, not fur. This is a fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. Let's get this open. This is a blanket. Oh my god, it feels so soft, whatever this is. It says, no animals were harmed in the making of this faux. That's good. It says, proud support of the Humane Society of the United States. Let's get this off. This seriously feels so nice. I know my cats are gonna claim this, like right after I film. Oh my gosh, yes, this is like the softest blanket ever. It's kind of cold in here. I always like blast the air when I film because it's like 85 degrees out where I live. Oh my god, this feels really nice. This is so soft. I love this. I don't think I even realized this was an option. Let's learn more about this. Okay, so this is the Unhide Little Marshmallow. It says stay cozy all winter long with this faux fur blanket, and it is $65. Wow, it seriously does feel like amazing quality, and I just love it. So the other options, this was one I think everyone could customize. You could have gotten the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, or the Arnco Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner, or the Jonathan Adler Fleur de Sel Ceramic Candle, or the Rebecca Minkoff Marble Beanie and Arm Warmer Set. Wow, there's a lot of options in this category. I love this. I'm so glad I got this. This might be my favorite. It's like the softest thing ever. Next up, this is something by LXMI. Kind of like dented in, but very cute packaging. I think I've gotten like a highlight from them before, like a liquid highlight. But this is their Pure Nilotica Melt Pomade Nourishing Balm to Oil. Says squeeze out balm and massage into skin. Uses an overnight facial mask or throughout the day where needed. We suggest around eyes, on lips, and on dry patches. Oh, okay. This is cool. This is very fitting for a winter box too. I feel like this box definitely has like the winter vibes to it, especially with this blanket and then like this for dry skin, and other stuff. Like, I know in the past, like the past probably 2 boxes, people were saying it didn't really fit the season, but I think so far this one really is. I think we're pretty much done too. But anyways, let's find this item. So this is $28. The LXMI Pure Nilotica Melt. This 100% organic balm to oil deeply nourishes as it hydrates, brightens, and protects the skin. And the other options in this section are the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Puddin' Palette, the Veray Sidekick Crossbody Bag, or the Paper Source 12-Month Rose Floral Planner. I wonder if this has a scent. So there is a safety seal, that's good. It kind of just has like a very light, like spa scent, like nice skincare scent, so the packaging is so cute. So that was everything that came in my winter FabFitFun. I have to say, I think this blanket is like my favorite. I'm like getting all cozy now. But what else do we get? So we got the balm that we just talked about, the makeup eraser, which I'm excited to use, the face and eye mask set. Again, I'm excited to use that. The Frank Body, the coffee scrub. We have this like duo like hand and body wash. The Dry Bar Prep and Prime Detangler. And the one thing I don't think I'll be using for myself is the Erno Laszlo Exfoliant and Detox Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. But I think this was a really good box. Clearly, like the value's way over what I would pay for it. So again, $49.99, or if you use my code $39.99. It's very like skincare heavy, but I feel like in the winter months, like when it gets cooler, I definitely focus more on like taking care of my skin because it can tend to get dehydrated and more dry than usual. So I think that's very fitting for a winter box. And again, you can customize this box, so you could have totally different items than I received. So that's why I was listing off the items as we went through it. But anyways, I really liked my box. You guys have to let me know what you think down below. And again, if you are interested, make sure to use that code and save some money and customize your winter box and let me know what you got. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here and watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.